Time to hit some balls. 3, 2, 1. Oh, where did the ball go?
Where did the ball go?
What was that?
Hey, it's me,
What's your name?
Kevin.
Okay. Do you know where the ball went?
Right over there.
Oh, thank you, Kevin. Well, Kevin, do you want to hang out?
Sure.
Okay. So, Kevin, what do you want to do?
So, Kevin, what do you want to do?
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you this. My name's actually Todd, not Kevin.
So, you didn't tell me this. My name is actually Todd, not Kevin.
Kevin, what do you want to do?
Kevin, what do you want to do?
Kevin, could you please actually stop copying me?
Fine.
Okay, so there's a lot of things we could do. What do you want to do?
There's a lot of things we could do. What do you want to do?
God, he's so annoying. I need a break.
Finally back on my branch.